Hello there, welcome back to Social Media Marketing. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 directly from the Microsoft Store. It includes Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Microsoft Office Word, Excel, Teams and other Microsoft applications. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Developer Program. Then click on the Microsoft Office Dev Center web page. Then click on Join Now. This sign-in page will be opened. Enter your email address. Then click on Next. Now enter new password. Then click on Sign In. Now simply click on Looks Good option. This notification will pop up. Simply click on Yes if you want to stay signed in on your computer. I don't want smartphone application for now to make this tutorial as short as possible. So simply click on No Thanks. Now this Microsoft Office Developer Program opened. Then let's join the developer program. To do so, select your country from here. Enter your company name or simply enter any name that you can remember. Select your language preference, agree the terms and conditions and other notification requests by checking the boxes like this. Then click on Next. From here, you can select your primary focus as a developer. I select Personal Project option. Then click on Next. From here, you can select your interest to get additional resources, notifications for the future directly to your Microsoft account. I select the Microsoft Teams option. Then click on Save. From this Microsoft Sandbox option, you can simply click on Next. From here, you can enter username and password. But you need to remember your password for the future, because you will use your password to install Microsoft applications on your computer and you may also need for the future. You can select a region for your data center from here. Then click on Continue. Now you need to enter your phone number and I will send you 5-digit code to your phone number. Then click on Send Code. Now enter the code that is sent to your phone. Then click on Setup. As you see, we successfully get Microsoft Office Developer subscription with 25 user licenses. From here, you need to save your domain name and administrator. Now scroll down and click on Save. After this, we need to download Microsoft 365 applications for free by using our Microsoft Office Developer account. It is very easy. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon below this video. You will get related important tips and tricks for the future. To install Microsoft 365 applications, simply open a new tab on your web browser and search for Microsoft Store. Then select the Microsoft Store web page from here. From here, click on the search bar and search for Office. Then click on the Shop option. Then click on Apps. Now select the Office free application from here. Now click on Get. If you have Microsoft Store application on your computer, it will be open like this. Click on refresh if it needs. Click on open. From here, sign in by using your developer account you just created. So click on sign in. Then click on work or school account. Then click on continue. From this Microsoft sign-in page, enter your administrator account that you have created. Then click on next. Then enter your password that you previously used when you created your developer account. Click on sign in. Click on skip for now. Then click on OK. Then wait a while. Then click on skip for now. Now you are all set, so click on done. Click on get started on this welcome window. Click on install Office. Click on Office 365 applications. The Office setup.exe file will be downloaded. Now open the download folder. Right click on the exe file and install it as an administrator. All Microsoft 365 applications are downloading. It may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. We have completed the download and installation process of the Microsoft 365 applications. Click on Close. Let's check our Microsoft applications. Click on the search bar on your computer and write PowerPoint. Let's open it. As you see, it is working. Let's click on the file menu and click on account. As you see, we got Microsoft Office PowerPoint 365 for free. It is lifetime access. If you get this video useful, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon below this video. It will motivate me to make even more useful videos for the future. Also, don't forget to check the description below this video to get latest updates. Have a nice day.